let's look how Marts and Paula will show us Paso Doble choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, a 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And now let's look at the same Paso Doble choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start grand circle. We finish in closed position and we continue with syncopated separation. Notice syncopated timing here with 2 points. We continue with syncopated chasses, which is at the same time method of changing feet. Then chasses to left, which we curve to left, and we dance la passe. Notice the man's lead here. Now we dance Fallaway Whisk and Promenade close, continued by Fallaway reverse, which includes also telemark type of action. We finish in Promenade position and continue with Spanish line. Now Promenade close. And from here we dance Chasses to left, which we curve slightly to left, and dance Promenade. Now we come to Banderillas. And syncopated surplace, followed by 1 beat hesitation. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.